Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So we'll be taking the hairs on the back like this, tie it like this, and then we'll be fixing the hairs on the back as shown in the video. Now we'll be fixing the both hairs together like this into each other, rotate it and fix it like this. Now after that, we'll be again rotating the hairs. Now at the end, we'll be tying the rest of the hairs like this on the back, put a hair clip and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making a high ponytail like this by taking all the hairs on the top like this. Tie all the hairs together as shown in the video. Now after tying the hairs like this, pull it a little bit backward and then rotate the hairs. Now after rotating it, we'll be fixing the hairs like this all together inside the hairs. Tie it properly as shown in the video. Put a rubber band over the hairs like this. Fix it. Now tie the rest of the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be tying the ponytail like this. So, take all the hairs and make a high ponytail as shown in the video. So, take a half hairs and make a ponytail. Now, again take a hairs and then fix it on the top like this. Now, after fixing the hairs together on the top and then rotate it like this. Now, after rotating the hairs, fix it into each other and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a high ponytail like this. Now, after take all the hairs into consideration and take half of the hairs and make a high ponytail like this. Now, rotate the hairs from the topward direction. Now, after rotating it, pull the hairs little bit backward and fix it in the half like this. Tie it with the rubber band and fix it like this. Now, spread the hairs on the top and stretch it like this. Now, after that, make a bun like this on the back and fix the hair clips on the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs as shown in the video and make the hairs like this. So take the half section of the hairs on the top and tie it like this. Now after tying it, rotate the hairs. Now take another section of the hairs from the sides and then roll it like this. So after rolling it, fix the hairs like this. So roll it properly as shown in the video. Now after rolling it, fix the hairs like this on the back. Now after that, put the hairs into each other as shown in the video. So tie it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs by keeping few sections in the front, keep it aside. Now take all the hairs and then make a ponytail on the back. Now after that, we'll be fixing the hairs like this. Tie the hairs and then we'll be rotating it like this into each other. Fix the hairs like this. Now after fixing the hairs, we will tie all the hairs together and fix it as shown in the video. Now rotate it like this. Now after that, fix the hairs in the half and tie it with the rubber band and stretch the hairs little bit. Fix it on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.